This video is inspired by Ranting Railroad's video of every commuter rail in 10 words or less. Go check out his video after mine. Now this is every freight railroad in 10 words or less. I sure hope another train crash doesn't happen anytime soon. Why only one locomotive? Seriously, dude.
Number 7 is solo leaders. Yes, this is directed at you, CP, or CPKC, whatever the heck they go by these days.
Just your typical freight railroad. Why do they have so many G-Vogues? I hope there's not an Amtrak train involved in this. The true American railroad. Is distance signal anywhere nearby?